Hello, my name is Steve Beck. I'm here with Bubeck, and we're from Denison Yachting, Long Beach, California. Today we'd like to introduce you to Lady C. She's an 88-foot Canados, and she was commissioned in 1993. Why don't you please join us for a brief tour.
The Aft Sun Deck is just after the main salon and is an ideal spot for your morning coffee or quiet afternoon relaxation.
The spacious flybridge with secondary helm controls, twin wraparound settees with tables, tucked away wet bar, and a grill create a great open air gathering spot.
Here in the main salon, you will first notice the extensive use of beautiful lacquered Mediterranean woods and fine cabinetry. These luxurious appointments are carried throughout Lady C. With comfortable couch seating aft and formal dining forward, this area of Lady C is inviting and relaxing for family and guests.
The well-appointed galley is located forward of the main salon and just behind the pilot house.
The pilot house is located forward on the main deck with all one would need to pilot Lady C.
The forward VIP stateroom features twin double berths with drawer storage below, dresser, a hanging closet, and a private in-suite head with vanity installed shower. The port mid cabin features a twin single berths with drawer storage below, hanging closet, private in-suite head, and a stall shower.
The starboard mid-cabin features twin single berths with built-in drawer storage below. There is an additional fold-down single berth a hanging closet, private in-suite head with a stall shower. The lavish owner's stateroom is located aft of the midship cabins. The full beam stateroom features an island queen, walk-in closet, dresser's port and starboard, private in-suite head with vanity, stall shower, and bidet.
The captain's quarters are located aft with a single berth and an in-suite wet head. Crew quarters are located forward with the entrance from the bow foredeck.
The Lady C is powered by twin Detroit 16V 92TA diesel engines. The two Onan 25 kW generators provide Lady C with plenty of power. On behalf of the owners, Steve and myself would like to thank you for joining us on this brief tour. If you'd like more information or to schedule a viewing, Steve and I are standing by.